a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man 2 fish and you feed him for a lifetime. From this proverb, we have defined our aims and goals for this project. Although our title is under poverty, we have decided to name our project BAM, Basic Agriculture for the Misfortune.
Why agriculture? Because the spread of poverty in Lebanon, where 38% of the population is under the poverty line, and the overflow of refugees, as well as the weakness of the agricultural sector in Lebanon.
Now our main goal is raising job opportunities by teaching poor children agricultural skills. As for the scope, it shows 1 week of workshop camp to poor children from 10 to 15 years. And our time, we scheduled our camp by week, our schedule. By week 1, presentation. We'll define the venue, the date, and the workshops. Week 2, sponsors, food, materials, camping equipment, transport, and security. We will also find the volunteers, teams, and training. Week 3, NGOs to kids, to search for kids and to get the data from 10 to 15 years. Week 4 and 5, we'll plan the whole camp. The camping equipment, the materials, the transport, the training plan and workshop under the main name of agriculture, the menu, the activities planning as for icebreakers, games, and the nights. As for week 7 and week 6 and week 7, we will finalize the whole camp. As for the week 8, to start the camp. Thank you.
There is a problem. Our starting budget is only $1,000. So, sponsors. We need sponsors. And we have now the things we need to 5 things. The place, the food, the things they will eat, transport to and from, the camping equipment, and the basic agricultural equipment.
Every project has some risks. So we have some threats and some opportunities. As threats, we have the lack of funding and volunteers, the security issues, the lack of interactions, and as opportunities we will do the camp as annually, and we will be supported by local and authorities.
And finally, for the resources, we need agriculture consultants and tools for the workshops that we will prepare for the poor children. And we need camping equipment, tents, and sleeping bags. We need a venue where we can make the camp and the workshops, a place where we can plant and harvest. We need sponsors, like Malik already said. We need sponsors to help us with the funding and with everything we need. And we need the management team, who's mainly us and people who will help us to organize the camp properly. And also we need a social media campaign on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and maybe on TV and radio, so we can market this project.
Okay, so why we chose a camp? We chose a camp because we wanted something new, we wanted something creative. Because we have long ago understood that you can never solve a problem by using the same way of thinking you did when you created it. Thank you.